desire to be challenged, those with curiosity. We're always looking for qualified engineers. Incoming engineers at Creative Automation are always brought along at their own pace. We take the time to bring them along gradually, starting out with basic design tasks and adding complexity as soon as they're able to handle it.
They are free to ask questions anytime, but as they're able, we also let them work independently so that they can develop an independent mindset and not continue to be reliant indefinitely.
Every project is different. It keeps the work engaging. That's one of the important things to me, is always working on something different. We're building machines that are custom, always takes a lot of thought, problem solving.
I'm not designing the same thing every time I come in. It's always something new. You're able to think outside the box. You're not just making the same part over and over.
We are a world-class provider of automation, one that competes with any machine builder in the world. An engineer can feel a lot of pride working at this level.
The culture here at Creative is great. I mean, it's a laid-back setting. It's more of a natural setting. I think it's a lot easier to work in. There's always someone there to answer a question, right up to management.
People get to know each other. We enjoy being together. We can work together to solve those challenges that come up and are time sensitive.
We take what we do very seriously, and we want to accomplish the same goal, and that doesn't mean we can't have fun doing it.